They are eco-warriors ready to do battle. Their mission to protect these shorelines. The place? Point Pinole Regional Shoreline in Richmond, California. And if you can believe it, it's the former home of a gunpowder company. Even today, it's flanked by a huge oil refinery.
It's a lot of stuff going wrong in the pollution and the water, and it's a lot of stuff that's affecting us as humans, so this can be a good change since us as youth are helping.
She's taking part in a program called Teen Eco Action Week, run by the East Bay Park Service. Bethany Facciandini is a naturalist here.
As a naturalist, I connect people with the environment and lead natural and cultural history walks and other types of programs like camping excursions, backpacking, camps, restoration projects.
A restoration project is just what happens to be in order during our visit. First up, a lesson about just what wildlife they're protecting.
Kick-a-doo! Kick-a-doo! This particular animal thrives in the salt marsh here. Today we are going to be doing a black rail habitat restoration project. The black rail is a threatened species that lives in salt marshes and freshwater marshes, and they're going to be removing an invasive plant species called ice plant that comes from South Africa. With your group, you're going to work as a team to get as much of the invasive ice plant away from the shoreline as possible and then carry it up to this point.
Then after gearing up,
Are you guys ready? Set, go! Great, you guys. So guys, we're gonna try to concentrate in one area so we can complete one area at a time and then spread out from that area.
So what's this floppy little plant here?
This is ice plant, and it's native to South Africa, and South Africa has a climate that's similar to ours, and so it thrives in this region. And as you can tell, it's created this carpet where other plants can't survive and thrive.
We're picking them out to help the native plants get their environment back.
after that job's done, it's not quitting time just yet. You can't visit a shoreline without picking up a little trash before you leave.
And then you're gonna try to pick up all the itty bitty pieces of plastic and styrofoam that a shorebird or another creature might think is food.
I'm interested in cleaning up the environment and making sure the earth is not polluted.
At the end of the day, it's about connecting with nature and a whole lot more.
They are going to be making really tough decisions for our future. It's very humbling to know that this program might be a really small influence or a really large influence and that impacts them in making positive decisions and protecting the environment in the future.